Alright guys, today we talk about the licks on the 5 forms of the blues pentatonic. In other words, the minor pentatonic with the 5th flat or the sharp 4th, the blues pentatonic. This is the first form of the blues pentatonic. First lick. Second lick. Third one. The second form of the blues pentatonic, starting on the 6th string, 8th fret. The third form of the blues pentatonic, starting on the 6th string, 10th fret. The fourth form of the minor pentatonic with a blue note starts from the 12th fret on the 6th string. First lick. This is the second lick. Third lick. This is the fourth lick. Let's see now the 4 licks in sequence. And this is the 5th and last form of the blues pentatonic. This is the first lick. Second lick.